African goddess. I must travel across an expanse of sea. Although I am on board a ship, I see, feel, experiences all of the life, the creatures, colorful psychedelic fishes, dangerous, beautiful, all of it. I feel the slightest tinge of fear, but overall, just a sense of my connection, dedication to this journey. When my destination is reached, a modern apartment, I must take with me a bird, a fish, and a lioness. The fish must be transferred in a glass, which I then drink from. The bird I am concerned about the release of. My governess tells me this is not important. Later I see the bird, a large green linnet from the looks of her, perched on some kind of side-standing metallic structure. I am petting her, wondering if she will be safe from the lioness who is sleeping across the room. I am thinking, a tired lioness. I shall sleep in this house. Would she harm me? No, as small and tender as I am, she would not. A fish, a bird, and a lioness.